The probability of a simple event is the number of outcomes matching the event divided by the number of possible outcomes, where all outcomes are equally likely. For example, a 6-sided number cube has sides that are labeled with the numbers 1 through 6. This number cube is assumed to be fair so that each outcome is equally likely. If the number cube is rolled, the probability that an even number faces up is calculated as follows. There are 6 possible outcomes, and there are 3 outcomes where an even number faces up. So, the probability of rolling an even number with this number cube is 3 out of 6, or 3/6. Note, this probability can be rewritten as an equivalent fraction, 1/2, or as an equivalent decimal, 0.5. A similar approach can be used to find the probability of not rolling a 6. There are still 6 possible outcomes. There are 5 outcomes where the number rolled is not a 6. So, the probability of rolling a number that is not a 6 with this number cube is 5 out of 6, or 5/6. The probability fraction for a simple event can be organized in a ratio table and used to predict the number of times that an event will occur for a given number of trials. For example, the theoretical probability for rolling an even number with a number cube was calculated to be 3/6, which is equal to 1/2. These two equivalent probability fractions can be organized in a ratio table and interpreted as follows. When a number cube is rolled 6 times, the predicted number of times an even number is rolled is 3. When a number cube is rolled 2 times, the predicted number of times an even number is rolled is 1. Other predictions can be made by generating other equivalent ratios, by scaling both values in the probability ratio, or by combining like values in 2 different ratios. In addition, the value for the number of trials in the bottom row of the ratio table can be multiplied by the theoretical probability to predict the number of times the event will occur. Likewise, the predicted number of times an outcome will occur can be divided by the theoretical probability to find the number of trials. Note, each equivalent ratio in the table represents a prediction based on the theoretical probability of a specified event, rolling an even number on a number cube. If a number cube is actually rolled a given number of times, the actual number of times a specified event occurs does not have to exactly match the theoretical prediction.